Okay students, we are in applications of differentiation topic. Among applications of differentiation, we are handling the topic tangents and normals. Yesterday we learned the concept regarding the chapter tangents and normals. Among the topic tangents and normals, we have discussed theory bits. I mean CUQ conceptual questions. Until 33 sums we discussed yesterday. CUQ its conceptual questions are theory bits. Now let us discuss about the questions which are useful in mains and MCET 35, 39, 41, 43. In our material I am saying 43, 45, 46, 48. Based on geometrical concepts. 35. The lengths of tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal, denoting with the letters P, Q, S, T. Length of tangent P, length of normal Q, length of subtangent. Length of tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormals are given as P, Q and S, T. Length of subtangent S and length of subnormal is equal to T. Then find, calculate the value P square is to Q square. P square is to Q square you should calculate. What is the value given? Length of tangent P, length of normal Q, length of subtangent S and length of subnormal T. We should calculate P square is to Q square according to option we should verify. Length of P square is to Q square. What is P square? This is length of tangent whole square by what is Q square? This is length of normal whole square. He given as P square. Now we should calculate P square by Q square. So that one only P square by Q square is length of tangent whole square by length of normal whole square. Yesterday we discussed about the formulas of length of tangent, length of subtangent, length of normal and length of subnormal also. Length of tangent formula y1 into root of 1 plus m square by length whole square total we can put length of normal formula y1 here, y1 root 1 plus m square by m and length of normal y1 root 1 plus m square. Here y1 root 1 plus m square by m is the length of tangent and length of normal formula y1 into root of 1 plus m square. Total whole square we can put. Total whole square. Therefore, this can be written as P square by Q square. Here, y1 root 1 plus m square get cancelled. Then it becomes here 1 by m square. 1 by m square is equal to P square by Q square. Now, P square by Q square. According to options, we can verify. Verify first option. What is the value of first option here given? Verify first option is S is to T. What is S here? LST. LST by LSN. LST means length of subtangent. Length of subtangent formula y1 by m into length of subnormal formula y1 into m. y1 get cancelled here 1 by m square. The value already we got here P square by Q square. So you can write here P square by Q square. We have taken S is to T. So verified first option here. Next 39th question. 39th question. According to condition, if the subnormal of the curve, subnormal to the curve x square y power n is equal to a square is a constant, then find n. X square y power n is a constant. Length of subnormal LSN. Length of subnormal of x square y power n is equal to a square. X square y power n is equal to a square is constant. For this curve length of subnormal is constant, then n you should calculate the value of n. Let this is first equation and apply log both sides to calculate the derivative. So this can be written as 2 log x plus n log y is equal to 2 log a. Diff both sides with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Log x derivative 1 by x, so this is 2 by x plus n by y into this is dy by dx is equal to 0. This can be written as dy by dx into n by y is equal to minus 2 by x. So dy by dx into n by y, here you can written as 2y by nx. N by y according to calculation we can write here as minus 2y by nx. This is dy by dx. Now which one we should do? If LSN given, what is the formula of LSN? Length of subnormal formula y1 into m. What is y1? Now you should try to understand the y1 as here yn is equal to a square by x square. X square y power n equal to a square he given. So y power n is equal to a square by x square, and you write here y is equal to a square by x square whole power 1 by n. LSN is equal to, here you should write the value a square by x square whole power 1 by n into m. Now we got the value minus 2y by nx. This is constantly given. Okay. Now you can write here minus a square by x square, a whole power 1 by n, a square whole power 1 by n, and x power 2 by n you can write minus 2 into, again instead of y you should write the value a square by x square whole power 1 by n whole by nx. Now x square a square whole power 1 by n you can write as a power 2 by n, a power 2 by n into this one minus 2 into a power 2 by n whole by this is x power 2 by n into another x power 2 by n is there into another x is there into n you write here. This is for x power 2 by n. Now he given as length is constant, length of subnormal is constant. So forget about these terms. A power 4 by n you write. You forget about this one. We should calculate, we should consider the value x only. X power 2 by n plus 2 by n plus 1. So here you can write x power 4 by n plus 1, and that is equal to minus 2 a power 4 by n whole by n into, taken this side, taken upside it becomes minus 4 by n minus 1. If LSN is constant, whenever he given as it is a constant, this x power should be 0. So x power minus 4 by n minus 1 equal to x power 0. That implies minus 4 by n is equal to 1. You can write using this one as n is equal to minus 4. So we have the value n is equal to minus 4. Next one, 39 completed. 41 question. Just you read the question, then you will able to understand what you should do. Already in concept we have learnt it. At any point on the curve y is equal to f of x. At any point on the curve y is equal to f of x, the subtangent ordinate and the point ordinate of the point and subnormal, subtangent y1 by m, ordinate y1 and subnormal y1m, y1 by m into y by ym. You multiply y1 by m and ym, then m and m will be getting cancelled. y1 square, you will be getting ordinate whole square is equal to y1 square. Already yesterday I said that b square is equal to AC form. Then we can say that these three terms are in GP. That's all. Next, 43rd question. The intercept made by tangent of the curve y is equal to f of x at x1 comma y1. 43. Y is equal to f of x is given. Find, you should calculate intercept of x. You should calculate intercept of x made by intercept of x. That's all. Of tangent, intercept of x of tangent. So what is the value of equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is formula using y minus y1 is equal to, you write here tangent. I am saying about equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. You should write the formula this one into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 because you asked intercept of x intercept. So you write here y minus y1 is equal to mx minus mx1. This can be written as mx minus y. These terms taken that side, mx minus y, and this term taken this side, it becomes mx1 minus y1. You divide the term with mx minus mx1 minus y1. So here you can write as mx by mx1 minus y1 minus y by mx1 minus y1 equal to 1. Here he is asking. Next m taken down, it becomes mx1 minus y1 whole by m minus, simply you leave this one as y by mx1 minus y1 equal to 1. Therefore, we can say that here x intercept of this equation is equal to you divide this one x1 minus y1 by m over modulus, because intercepts length, breadth, area, volume, these are quality. That is why we put mod here according to length of x intercept. So according to option x1 minus y1 by m, first option. 35, 34. Next 45. The angle between the curves, it is IMP concept. IMP concept. The angle between the curves, y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. Y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x are there. We should calculate the angle between y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. Y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x is given. So first of all, you should calculate the point of intersection. Point of intersection. This is 45 question. Y is equal to sin x comma y is equal to cos x are there. First of all, you should calculate point of intersection to find the angle between the two curves. We should get the point of intersection. Since both are y, then you can equate here sin x is equal to cos x. Whenever it is sin x is equal to cos x, then you write here sin x is equal to cos x. Both are y, sin x is equal to cos x. That implies x is equal to pi by 4. If you substitute the value x is equal to pi by 4 in y, then you will be getting sin pi by 4 or cos pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2. You write here point of intersection. Point of intersection is equal to pi by 4 comma 1 by root 2. The point of intersection of two curves. Example, sin x graph will be like this and cos x graph will be like this. We should calculate, we should calculate angle between the both curves at the pi by 4. Means if two tangents are drawn to the two curves, the angle between the tangents becomes a angle between the curves. So now dy by dx you write. First of all, derivative of sin x is cos x. And this is m1 you put. At m1, at pi by 4 you write here. At pi by 4 comma 1 by root 2 m1 equal to what is the value of cos 45 1 by root 2 and dy by dx is equal to cos x derivative minus sin x. Here also at pi by 4 comma 1 by root 2 you should write. So m2 becomes m2 slope of second curve also minus sin pi by 4. The value of minus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. If the value of minus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, then you should calculate using the angle between two lines is theta is equal to tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So right here angle between two curves theta is equal to tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So theta is equal to tan inverse, what is the value of m1 here? m1 means to calculate it one as 1 by root 2 minus what is the value of m2 here? Minus 1 by root 2. It becomes plus 1 by root 2 by 1 minus m1 m2. 1 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 you can write it one as 2 by root 2. So you write here tan inverse of 2 by root 2 becomes root 2 by 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse 2 root 2 is the angle between the two curves at the point of intersection. So theta is equal to tan inverse 2 root 2 we got. Now we completed 45th question. Now we are going to discuss about 46th question is there. For 46th question maybe somewhat mistake is there. Let us discuss about the mistake. 46th question. The curves e power minus x, e power minus ax sin bx. The curves e power minus ax sin bx and e power minus ax touch each other at the points. The curves touch each other at the points for which bx is asking. Touch each other at the points. Y is equal to first 46th question. First he given as y is equal to e power minus ax into sin bx. Y is equal to e power minus ax into sin bx. First curve. Next second curve. Y is equal to e power minus ax he given. Y is equal to e power minus ax into sin bx and y is equal to e power minus x. Two curves are there. Whenever two curves are there, first of all you should calculate the point of intersection to find the angle. E power minus ax, right? E power minus ax sin bx is equal to e power minus ax. E power minus ax got cancelled. So you write here sin bx is equal to 1. This can be written as sin bx is equal to sin 90 degrees. Sin bx is equal to sin 90 here. We can written as the principal value to solve the trigonometric equations. PV means principal value is equal to alpha by 2. General solution. General solution of sin bx is equal to n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here you can written as for bx, for this one n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. He is asking about the value bx only. Then you can write sin n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. First one n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. N pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. Sorry for the distance, just wait. N pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. If you write here n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n into pi by 2. If you write, if n is even, you write. If n is even, then n becomes positive. N pi plus pi by 2. If n is odd, you write. If n is odd, then n becomes negative. Then n pi minus pi by 2 you can write. This is first method by using the point of intersection. Now we can use by derivative. Let it be first one, first curve. Let it be second one. Differentiating both sides 1. Diff both sides 1. What is the value of derivative of e power minus x into sin dx? According to UV rule you should follow. dy by dx is equal to e power minus bx into b cos bx. E power minus bx into b cos bx. That is uv dash plus vu dash you can write here. b sin bx into e power minus x derivative minus a into e power minus ax. Next one, dy by dx of second curve if we take. dy by dx of second curve e power minus ax into minus a. What he is asking? First of all, read the question. The curves touch each other at the points. We can say that if the two curves touch each other, then the slopes are equal at the point of contact. Now we can equate the slopes. Let it be third equation and let it be fourth equation. 3 is equal to 4. If 3 is equal to 4, if whenever the slopes are equal, then only the curves touches. Now in first equation we can take common e power minus ax. This one we have taken using uv dash plus vu dash. Next one, e power ax, whenever you taken e power minus ax, b also we can take it common, b. In first it becomes cos bx minus sin bx. Cos bx minus sin bx is equal to minus a e power minus ax. E power minus x maybe get cancelled here. Minus a by b it becomes cos bx. Cos bx minus sin bx is equal to minus a by b will be getting. If we substitute the value here, alpha we got here for bx is equal to pi by 2. If we write for bx is equal to pi by 2, what is the value? Cos 90 value 0 minus sin 90 value 1 is equal to minus a by b is not possible. Then a should be equal to 1 and b should be equal to 1. A should be equal to 1 and b should, if you can write here, if a is equal to b, then you can say that for a quadratic, for a cos function, if it is, if x is equal to 90, cos is 0, and if x is equal to 90, sin is 1. If cos x and sin x simultaneously satisfies the equation, we can say that the common solution of two trigonometric functions is 2n pi plus alpha. Common solution. If here you write, if x is equal to pi by 2, for both function, both x is equal to pi by 2, for both sin theta you write, for both sin theta and cos theta simultaneously, then common solution of theta, you can say that 2n pi plus alpha. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. So according to option, he given as second option, but it is not clear. We can say it is first option. According to options he given, but for conclusion sin x and cos x simultaneously we should get, not at the same time. Next question we are having a formula. This indicates, this represents upon two curves. First one is parabola and the second one is hyperbola. Let us write a formula of parabola and hyperbola orthogonal condition. Condition of orthogonality of parabola and hyperbola. let us write a formula. You will be learning in 2B geometry. If the curves, this is an IMP formula, if the curves y square is equal to 4ax, comma, xy equal to c square. Y square is equal to 4ax is general parabola and xy equal to c square is a hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola, where coordinate axis has asymptotes. Yesterday we discussed and drawn diagram also. If the curves y square equal to 4ax and xy equal to c square cut each other orthogonally. Cut each other orthogonally. If the two curves intersect orthogonally, cut each other orthogonally, then the condition is c square is equal to 30 to a power 4. So, ఎలా చేయాలి సార్ అంటే ఇందులో టఫ్ ఏం లేదు. దీన్ని డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి. డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ తీయాలి. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడెక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ దీనికి చేస్తాం. ఆ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ m1 తీసుకోవాలి. ఆ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ m2 తీసుకోవాలి. θ is equal to tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 ఇస్తే వస్తుంది కండిషన్. c square is equal to 30 to a power 4. ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ప్రకారం సమ్ చూడాలి. నో 48 question. If the curves y square is equal to x is given, y square is equal to x, the x equal to y square ఇచ్చాడు, y square equal to x and xy equal to k, cut each other orthogonally. Cut the two curves, cut each other orthogonally. Whenever the two curves cut each other orthogonally, you should calculate the value of k square. Find k square. This is IMP MSET bit. MSET కోసం బాగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్. y square is equal to 4ax I said, xy equal to c square I said. The formula, according to formula you write here, y square is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into x. 4 into 1 by 4 into x. Next to this one as xy is equal to c square. So xy equal to k, simply you write. What is the value of a here? 1 by 4. According to comparatively that question. What is the value of c square here? K is equal to c square. I had written the formula c power 4 is equal to 30 to a power 4. So c power 4. So c square is equal to k. Sorry, c square is equal to 30 to a power 4. So here you write k square. K square is equal to 32 into a power 4. 1 by 4 whole power 4. You write here k square is equal to 1 by 4 into 32. 1 by 4 means 256 into 32. 32 will be dividing 256 into 8 times. So k square value 1 by 8. That's all. ఇప్పుడు మనం థియరీ బిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. ఇదే టాంజెంట్స్ అండ్ నార్మల్ కాన్సెప్ట్లో సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సమ్స్ in level 1 class work and homework also there. Now let us discuss about level 1, not each and every sum, some only 10 sums or 8 sums like that I say. You do remaining sums. Level 1 class work according to schedule I say. Tangents and normal topic. Tangents and normal topic level 1 class work. Level 1 class work 20 until 20 you do like this according to schedule. 20, 26, 29, 30, 31, 34, 35 and 37. Same based on the previous discussions. Whenever formula or proof is necessary, I'll say according to same previous formulas we can handle this class. The tangent at 2, 4. Read the question, 20th question. The tangent at 2, 4. He given the point A, 2, 4. The tangent at A, 2, 4 on the curve. A curve given as y is equal to x cube minus 2x square. X cube minus 2x square plus 4 cuts the x-axis at t. A curve, let us draw a curve like this. This is a tangent. A tangent drawn, this is a tangent simply. A tangent drawn at A2 comma 4. Tangent at A2 comma 4, let it be A2 comma 4. A tangent drawn at A2 comma 4 of the curve, this is y. Y is equal to f of x is a curve. Y is equal to f of x, cuts the x-axis at t, the length of AT. So what is the length of AT? Length of tangent you should calculate. If you try to understand, you should calculate length of tangent, you will be getting easily. dy by dx you write here. dy by dx is equal to m, I mean slope of the curve. So 3x square you can write here, 3x square minus 4x. Now you write here yet 2 comma 4. M is equal to yet 2 comma 4. M is equal to, that means you substitute the value 2 instead of x. 3 into 2 square, that means 3 into 4 12 minus 4 into this one 8. M is equal to 4. Now you should find LT, length of tangent. Length of tangent formula y1 into root of 1 plus m square by m over modulus. What is the value of y1? x1 comma y1 is the 0.2 comma 4. 4 into root of 1 plus m square means 16 by m means 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled and root 17 is the answer. Next 26. 26th question. Length of normal. Length of normal to the given curve, any point. At any point. Curve he given like this. A into e power x by a plus e power minus x by a. A into e power x by a plus e power minus x by a whole by 2. Length of normal curve at any point on the curve varies as length of normal you should calculate. While calculating length of normal, first of all you should differentiate, and the y curve given as cos hx by a. Just let us remember the formula cos hx is equal to e power x plus e power minus x whole by 2. Length of normal you should calculate, y is equal to, now you can write here a into this is the form e power x by a. So you can say that a into cos hx by a. Differentiating both sides, you get the value dy by dx is equal to sin hx by a. Sin hx by a. Cos a is there and cos hx by a. For derivative, internal derivative also there, 1 by 8 becomes a and a will be getting cancelled. dy by dx we got sin h of x by a. Now LL, what is the value of LN? Length of normal. Length of normal formula y1 into root of 1 plus m square. y1 means this one, y given. Given value a cos h of x by a into root of 1 plus m square. Root of 1 plus m square is 1 plus sin h square of x by a. This also can be written as, we know that 1 cos h square theta minus sin h square theta equal to 1. So minus sin h square taken that side, it becomes cos h square. So this is cos hx by a. You write here a into cos hx by a into this one also cos hx by a. That is equal to a into cos h square x by a. Maybe, according to option. The question he is giving, okay, length of normal to the curve at any point varies as he is giving. This one, if we say a cos hx by a, we got here. So a into cos h square by x by a we got. A into cos hx by a is equal to, we'll do one thing. A square into cos h square x by a whole by a you write. A square into cos h square x by a whole by a. That is equal to y square you write here. Y square by a. So ln is is equal to, answer we got as y square by a. That can be written as 1 by a is a constant, ln is equal to constant into y square. Whenever ln is equal to some proportionate constant k, if you say proportionate constant into y square, then we can say that properly ln means length of normal is directly proportional to y square. So it can be also said that it varies. The length of normal varies with y square is the answer. Next, 29th question. The angle between two curves is given. The angle between two curves, formula we know that tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Using that one, we should calculate the angle between two curves. So m1 is the derivative of first function and m2 is the derivative of second function. 29 completed. 30. Two curves are given. X cube, first curve equation, x cube minus 3xy square. X cube minus 3xy square equal to 2, let it be first equation. Second curve he given as 3x square y minus y cube is equal to 2. Second equation, let it be second equation. We should calculate the angle between the two curves. We discussed about the formula theta is equal to tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 is equal to slope of first curve and m2 is equal to slope of second curve. To calculate m1 and m2, first of all we should differentiate first equation and second equation. Diff 1, you try to understand this is an implicit function. Implicit function means x and y merged. Second one also implicit function. So dy by dx, we can say dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou f. Let us write dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by minus 3x square minus, for x we are calculating 3x, 3 into 1 into y square, 3y square minus of x cube derivative 3x square and this is 3y square. Dou f by dou y you calculate. Whenever you are calculating dou f by dou y, x constant derivative is 0 minus 3x into y square. 3x into y square means y square derivative 2y, it becomes 6xy. So m1 we are written here. m1 is equal to minus 3, here 3 taken common, minus 3 take it as a common. This is x square minus y square by minus 6xy. 3 minus minus get cancelled, 2xy. So m1 is equal to x square minus y square by xy. I mean 2xy. X square minus y square by 2xy. If point of intersection is given, we write. Otherwise, we should calculate the point of intersection. The angle between only simply he given. Okay. Next one. Point of intersection we did not give. Here you write dy by dx. As same formula use minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. What is dou f by dou x here? This is x square derivative 6xy minus, you don't write here, y cube because it is a constant. For dou f by dou y you say now. What is the value of dou x by dou y? Now we are calculating derivative of y, it becomes 3x square and this is minus 3y square. Let it be, this is m1, this is m2. You do one thing, minus 2 taken common 2. So 3 will be dividing in 2 times. You write here 2xy by x square minus y square. Students, this one you think as this is m2, this is m1. What did you observe? Now there is no point of intersection, no need to find and there is no need to use the formula tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 plus m2. m1 m2 here it become minus 1 if you multiply this both. Whenever m1 m2 is minus 1, they are said to be orthogonal. Theta is equal to pi by 2, not minus 1. Theta is equal to pi by 2. They are orthogonal trajectories. 30 completed. 31. 31 question. If the acute angle between the curves xy equal to 2 and y square equal to 4x is theta, then tan theta. He given the value, he put the name as tan theta, we should calculate theta. Xy is equal to 2. Xy equal to 2, it is a rectangle hyperbola, and y square is equal to 4x, it is a parabola. There is no orthogonality condition. So you should calculate the value of theta. Xy is equal to 2. So point of intersection you should calculate. Y is equal to 2 by x. Here you substitute 2 by x whole square is equal to 4x. So you write here 4 by x square is equal to 4x. 4 get cancelled. You can write here x cube is equal to 1. This is x cube. X cube equal to 1, then x equal to 1 you write. Therefore, you substitute the x equal to 1 value, you will be getting here 2 by 1, 2. Therefore, point of intersection of two curves. Point of intersection is equal to 1, 2. Xy equal to rectangle hyperbola and y square is equal to parabola. Simply draw a rough diagram. That is rectangle hyperbola. This is parabola. Angle between these two tangents. This is, let it be a tangent, let it be a tangent. Angle between. So you calculate the value. You calculate the value theta here. Okay. If we should calculate that one angle between two tangents, first of all you should calculate derivative. Let it be first equation. Y is equal to 2 by x, first equation. This is second equation. By differentiating first equation, we can get the value dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by x square, because the derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. You write here diff 1 dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by x square. Next here we write diff 2 2y y dash is equal to 4. You write here y dash equal to 2 by y. You can write here at the point 1, 2. At 1, 2 dy by dx, this is the first slope, minus 2 by 1, 1 square 1 only. Next y dash is here dy by dx. At 1, 2, the second slope 2 by 2 you write. 2 by 2 is 1. So m1 is equal to minus 2 and m2 is equal to 1. We got tan theta formula modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Then tan theta is equal to m1 means minus 2 and this is minus 1 by 1 plus m1 m2. 1 plus m1 m2 means minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2, answer 3. So tan theta is equal to 3, you should write here. According to 1, this is second option, according to question. Next, 34th question. 34th question, the angle at which the curve y is equal to e power x intersect y axis. So, next question, indirectly added. General notation of angle is, so many times we discussed it, the amount of rotation from an initial ray to terminal ray with the positive direction of x-axis. x-axis అని చెప్పాలి, ఇక్కడ అడిగింది x-axis కాదు y-axis. ఇట్లాంటి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంటాయని నిన్న క్లాస్లో చెప్పాను. x-axisలో మనకి y/3 యాంగిల్ అంటే y-axis x-axis ఆల్వేస్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ కాబట్టి y-axis అంటే 90 degrees వచ్చి ఆ y/3 తీసేయాలి, ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందని చెప్పాము. ఇప్పుడు x-axis ఎంత యాంగిల్ వస్తుందో y-axis యాంగిల్ కోసం ఆ 90 నుంచి ఈ వచ్చినటువంటి యాంగిల్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. చూద్దాం. y is equal to given equation, y is equal to e power x intersect the y axis. జనరల్గా e power x is always positive. e power x గ్రాఫ్ అసలు స్టాప్ ఉండదు. e వాల్యూ 2.718. ఈ వాల్యూ e పవర్ 0 తీసుకుంటే 1 అవుతుంది. e పవర్ -1 తీసుకున్నా పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. అట్లా ఇలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇఫ్ ద కర్వ్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ e పవర్ x అంటున్నాడు, y యాక్సిస్ ఇలా ఇలా వెళ్ళింది, దెన్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ద కర్వ్ అండ్ y యాక్సిస్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ వై యాక్సిస్, యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ మీట్ అయింది అక్కడ యాంగిల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. సో డివై బై డిఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ తీసుకో, ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్? ఇక్కడ వై యాక్సిస్ అడిగాడు కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ వై యాక్సిస్? ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. రైట్ హియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ వై యాక్సిస్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ వై యాక్సిస్ ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. అంటే డివై బై డిఎక్స్ మనం ఎం అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము. స్లోప్ అంటే చూడండి డివై బై డిఎక్స్ ఎం ట్యాన్ థీటా ఆల్సో. m is equal to tan theta is equal to e power 0. You write e power 0 is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. Ante theta is equal to pi by 4. Students, this angle is made by positive direction of x axis, not y axis. To get angle with respect to y axis, to get the angle with respect to y axis, you should calculate pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus whatever the value we got, pi by 4. Of course, this one also pi by 4 we got. Next, 35. If you get this value pi by 6, then it becomes pi by 3, pi by 2 minus pi by 6, like that. 36. The angle made by the 35th question. The angle made by the line at 1,3 on the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square. Angle made by the tangent at 1,3 on the curve with ox bar. Y is equal to 4x minus x square. So dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 2x. Yet, angle made by the tangent at 1,3. Angle made by the tangent at 1,3 he is asking. Angle made by the tangent at 1,3 on the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square and ox. Ox at a positive direction of x axis. Tangent at 1,3 దగ్గర చూద్దాం. 1,3 దగ్గర చూసినట్టయితే మనకి m slope, m is equal to what is the value? minus 2. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 35th question. Tan inverse. M is equal to only simply m value tan theta. 4x minus x square, 4 minus 2x derivative. Substitute the value 1,3 x plus 1 raste. Sorry. 2 into 3. 4 minus 2 into 3. What is the value of 4 minus 2 into 3? 4 minus 6. We can say 4 minus 6 is minus 2. But with OF, with positive direction of x axis, simply you put mod here. Tan theta is equal to, simply, that's all. Theta is equal to tan inverse 2. ఇక్కడ రెండు కర్వ్స్ ఏమీ లేవు. రెండు కర్వ్స్ ఉంటే m1 మైనస్ m2 రావాలి. ఒకటే కర్వ్ ఉంటే కంపల్సరీ OX అలా ఇవ్వాలి. ఇవ్వకపోతే మీరే పాజిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ x అని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. 35 completed. 37. An angle between the curves y square is equal to ax and x square is equal to ay at a comma a. Okay, దీని గురించి ఒక ఫార్ములా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Let us discuss the formula which is important in 2B parabola topic. Right here, formula. Whatever the formula now I am discussing, it is example 7, page 125. Example 7, IMP is. Example 7, page 125 in 2B textbook. 2B textbook lo page 125 lo example 7. Adi formula ga ippudu cheptanu. Let us discuss about two parabolas. First, this one y square equal to 4ax. This is parabola shape. And next one x square is equal to 4by. This is another parabola. We should calculate the angle between two parabolas. Angle between two parabolas. The point of intersection 0, 0. If you both if you get equal, then you will be getting the point of intersection. You write here points of intersection. I am writing points of intersection. points of intersection is equal to 0, 0 and 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. ఓపిక్గా చేస్తే వస్తుంది, రెగ్యులర్గా చేయాలి. 4a power b 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 and 4a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3. This is p. Yet he will ask generally, అతను ఏమడుగుతాడంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ 0 దగ్గర కాదు, ద ఫైండ్ ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ టూ పెరాబోలాస్ అదర్ దెన్ ఆరిజిన్. అదర్ దెన్ ఆరిజిన్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ చేయాలి. దానికి ప్రజెంట్ ఫార్ములా రాస్తాను, ప్రూఫ్ అప్పుడు చెప్తాను. థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు tan ఇన్వర్స్ 3/2 ఇంటూ a పవర్ 1/3 b పవర్ 1/3 హోల్ బై హియర్ a power 2/3 plus b power 2/3. This is the angle other than origin. Next, if the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay, అప్పుడు ఎలా వస్తాయి పాయింట్స్ అంటే, పాయింట్స్ 0, 0 ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. 0, 0 అండ్ 4a, 4a అక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4by అన్నా కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడ రెండు 4a తీసుకుంటే 4a, 4a theta is equal to tan ఇన్వర్స్ 3/2 ఇంటూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ a పవర్ 1/3, a అంటే a నే కదా, a పవర్ 1/3 ఇంటూ b పవర్ 1/3, b లేదు ఇంకా, మళ్ళీ a పవర్ 1/3 హోల్ బై a పవర్ 2/3 ప్లస్ b పవర్ 2/3 లేదు, మళ్ళీ a పవర్ 2/3. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 3/2 ఇంటూ హియర్ యూ కెన్ రిటన్ యాజ్ a పవర్ 2/3 బై a ప్లస్ a. హియర్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ దిస్ వన్ 2a పవర్ 2/3. a పవర్ 2/3 get cancelled. We can say that the angle theta is equal to tan inverse 3/4. tan inverse 3/4 అని మనకి tangents and normal concept and పెరాబోలా ఏరియా అన్నిట్లోనూ ఇది బాగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. ఇదే మళ్ళీ ఏరియాలో అడుగుతాడు, ఎందుకంటే ఏరియాలో డేటా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఏరియాస్ అనే టాపిక్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది కూడా అక్కడ ప్రూఫ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఎట్లా చేయాలంటే ఇది m1 m2 ఇది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ m1 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ m2 వస్తుంది, అప్పుడు m1 మైనస్ m2 1 ప్లస్ m1 అంటే ప్రూఫ్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది. అదే ఎట్ ఆరిజిన్ కూడా చూసేద్దాం. ఇదే వాల్యూ ఎట్ ఆరిజిన్ దగ్గర చూద్దాం. ఎట్ ఆరిజిన్ దగ్గర క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే y స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ax అండ్ x స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ay తీసుకుంటాం. by ay తీసుకున్నా bby తీసుకున్నా అదే సేమ్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి x స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ax అండ్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4x and x స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ay వేరే రెండు పెరాబోలాస్ తీసుకుందాం. జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆర్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ పెరాబోలా ఈజ్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ax. y square equal to 4ax is parabola 1. Next, x square is equal to 4ay. This is another parabola 2. y square is equal to 4ax. At down y square equal to 4ax shape. Next, x square is equal to 4a. x square is equal to 4a shape. మీరు లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ ఒకటి అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఏం లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ అంటే, యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ టూ కర్వ్స్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ దేర్ టాంజెంట్స్. ఇది y స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4x పెరాబోలా, ఇది x స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4a పెరాబోలా. దీనికి ఈ పెరాబోలా ఏమైతే ఉందో దీనికి ఇది వర్టెక్స్, రెండిటికి కామన్ వర్టెక్స్ వచ్చేసింది 0, 0. ఐఎమ్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ angle between, ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ టూ పెరాబోలాస్, యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ టూ పెరాబోలాస్ ఎట్ 0, 0 ఎట్ ఆరిజిన్. ఇది x యాక్సిస్, ఇది y యాక్సిస్. ఈ x యాక్సిస్ ఏని ఈ y స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4x పెరాబోలాకి y యాక్సిస్ ఏమంటామంటే టాంజెంట్ ఎట్ వర్టెక్స్, టాంజెంట్ ఎట్ వర్టెక్స్ అంటే ఈ కలిసే ప్లేస్ ఇది వర్టెక్స్. అట్లాగే ఇది x స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ay పెరాబోలా. 4by తీసుకున్నా 4cy తీసుకున్నా పెరాబోలా వర్టెక్స్ మాత్రం 0, 0. దీనికి ఈ లైన్ ఏమైతే ఉందో అంటే x యాక్సిస్, ఇది ట్యాంజెంట్ ఎట్ వర్టెక్స్. అంటే ఒక ట్యాంజెంట్ ఉంటే చాలు, ట్యాంజెంట్ ఎట్ వర్టెక్స్. ఆల్వేస్ యు ఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ దట్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ టూ కర్వ్స్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ దేర్ ట్యాంజెంట్స్. ఇది ట్యాంజెంట్, ఇది ట్యాంజెంట్, ఇది x యాక్సిస్, y యాక్సిస్. x అండ్ y యాక్సిస్ ఎప్పటికీ కూడా మనకి పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ చెప్పుకుంటాం. దేర్ఫోర్ θ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు π/2. ఇది లాజికల్గా ఇది ఎంత డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేయచ్చు. లేదు సార్ అంటే మళ్ళీ దానికి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ చేస్తే 0 0 వస్తుంది. 0 0 వచ్చిన తర్వాత y² = 4x డెరివేటివ్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేస్తాం, x² = 4ay డెరివేటివ్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేస్తాం. రెండింటికి m1 at 0, m2 at 0 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి θ = tan ఇన్వర్స్ m1 - m2/1 + m1 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఇది జామెట్రిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అండ్ టాంజెంట్స్ అండ్ నార్మల్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ 1 హోంవర్క్లో కొన్ని సమ్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇట్లా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సమ్స్ ఏమైతే ఉందో టాంజెంట్స్ అండ్ నార్మల్ టాపిక్లో లెవెల్ 1 హోంవర్క్. లెవెల్ 1 హోంవర్క్లో లెట్ us discuss some IMP sums based on the concept of geometry. జనరల్గా 2B జామెట్రీ ఎక్కువ టచ్ అవుతుంది. లెవెల్ 1 హోంవర్క్. లెవెల్ 1 హోంవర్క్లో 5th క్వశ్చన్ నుంచి షెడ్యూల్ రాస్తుంది. 5th, 11th, 18, 5, 11, 18, 23, 28, 23, 28, next 29, 30, 31. 5th question. The curve y minus e power xy plus x = 0 has vertical tangent. Vertical tangent అంటే y యాక్సిస్ ప్యారలల్గా ఉండేది, అంటే స్లోప్ డస్ నాట్ డిఫైన్. y minus e power xy plus x = 0. The curve y minus e power xy plus x = 0 has vertical tangent. Vertical tangent అంటే slope does not define. Slope is equal to infinity. The curve y is equal to ఎక్కడ vertical tangent అవుతుంది dy/dx. అకార్డింగ్ టు ఆప్షన్ వెరిఫై చేసేస్తే అయిపోద్ది. ఆ పాయింట్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, లైన్ ఎట్ ద పాయింట్ 1, 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 1, 1, 1 + 1 - 1 నాట్ పాసిబుల్. 0, 1 x ప్లేస్లో 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 0 e power 0, 1, 1 - 1. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్కి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. 1, 0 x ప్లేస్లో 0 వస్తే సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 0, దిస్ ఈజ్ 1, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. థర్డ్ 1, 0 థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ 1 x ప్లేస్లో 1, y ప్లేస్లో 0 వస్తే ఇది కూడా ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. 2 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. సో సమ్ చేయాలి. dy/dx. హియర్ యు రైట్ diff both sides. y dash minus e power xy into అంటే e power x డెరివేటివ్ e power x లా xy dash plus y plus 1 equal to 0. That implies y dash into 1 minus e power xy into x, y dash taken common, minus y into e power xy plus 1 equal to 0. E power xy into x, y dash taken common, y dash is equal to that letter taken that side. We can write this one as y e power xy minus 1 whole by 1 minus x e power xy. You write here the slope does not define, take as 1/0. Taking cross multiplication we get 1 minus x e power xy is equal to 0. Now x e power xy is equal to 1. మనకి x ప్లేస్లో 1 అయితేనే అది కరెక్ట్. అంటే x ప్లేస్లో 1 పెట్టండి కన్ఫర్మ్. x ప్లేస్లో 1 పెడితే థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్, x ప్లేస్లో 1, y ప్లేస్లో 0, థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ వెరిఫై. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. నెక్స్ట్ 5th completed. Let us discuss about 11th question. 11th question. The equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to log sin x at π/2, 0. Y is equal to log sin x. y is equal to log sin x at pi by 2 comma 0. Equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to log sin x at pi by 2 comma 0 he is asking. Y is equal to log sin x substitute చేస్తే equation of tangent అడుగుతున్నాడు. dy by dx. What is the derivative of log sin x? Cot x. Because 1 by sin x into sin x internal derivative cos x. Cos x by sin x becomes cot x. Now at pi by 2 comma 0 slope you write. At pi by 2 comma 0 slope m is equal to what is the value of cot pi by 2? Cot pi by 2 value 0. Now write about equation of tangent. Equation of tangent formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 is equal to 0 into x minus pi by 2. You can write this one as y is equal to 0. 11th one completed. Let us discuss about 18th question. 18th question is important. The equation of tangent to the curve root x by a plus root y by b is equal to 2 he given. Root x by a plus root y by b is equal to 2 at the point a comma b. Root x by a plus root y by b is equal to 2 at the point a comma b is given. So given curve 18th question root x by a plus let it be root x by a plus root y by b is equal to 2 at the point a comma b. Now we can write here differentiating both sides. What is the value of root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x by a into internal derivative 1 by a plus this is 1 by 2 root y by b into internal derivative 1 by b into dy by dx equal to 0. Here you write here at a comma b he is asking. That means substitute the value x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Substitute the value x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Then it becomes a by a 1, 2 get cancelled, taken that side. Then you can write here as 1 by a plus 1 by b dy by dx equal to 0. Then 1 by b into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by a. 1 by b into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by a. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus b by a. Now, what he is asking? Equation of tangent at the point a comma b. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at a comma b. Formula y minus b is equal to minus b by a into x minus a you can write. Yesterday I said about second term concept. Y by b minus b by b is equal to minus x by x plus a by a. Right in the order it becomes x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 because it is minus b by b plus a by a. 18th question completed. Next let us discuss about 23rd question. 23rd question, angle between the curves y square is equal to ax and x square is equal to ay at origin. Read the question. Read the question. Y square is equal to ax and x square is equal to ay. Okay students, let us discuss later.